Okay, the other day, I made a video. Okay, recently I just had my plumbing done, okay? After 10 years of fighting a total nightmare, I finally got it done. So the other day I made a video of what they did. I didn't like the way the video came out. I did the editing, and normally I don't do the editing right after I make a video, but I did on this one, and I was too much of a crybaby. Yeah, I'm even saying this. I was all boo-hoo. Well, let me get down there and explain what I didn't like and what I was crying about. And this one I would do justice. I promise you. I've had a couple of days to settle down. 10 years I fought the plumbing in my backyard. 10 long years. Multiple times a snake in this thing. And I finally was able to find an outfit, a plumbing outfit, that would take payments. So they came out and they did it. And when I came out the other day, I noticed a couple things I was not happy about. I was more concerned. Let me show you the number one thing I was concerned about. And from what I can see right now, I can't really tell if it looks better or not. Okay, it's been 6 days since I had my plumbing done. And what I was really concerned about, can you see the standing water right there? I don't think that's supposed to be there. Not at all. It's been 6 days, and yeah, that's what I was really concerned about. But that's not what angered me. Angie?
Yes.
You said you stepped down and a puddle formed?
Yes, right there. That's my footprint.
Right there's Angie's footprint. She stepped down, a puddle formed. Nah, this was not done correctly. Nah, not at all. There's a problem. It's been 6 days since they did it, and yes, we did have some snow, about an inch, if that. And there was no rain, just a little inch of a snow, if that. And no, I don't think that would be the problem. Okay, that's what I was concerned with. Let me tell you something else I was concerned with a little bit. Well, they basically just scraped up the dirt and just left it in the yard like this. I was a little concerned about that, but we called the company and they said, well, they don't pat it down. They just put it back in the hole and it's up to us. Well, I understand that. I get that. I totally understand that. But the part I didn't get was what I'm about to show you now. And this is what angered me. Okay, I get the fact they're not going to pad that down. I can take care of that. But what I don't understand is, why would they leave holes in the ground? This one goes up to a little bit more than I said, about 1.5 feet. And that one's about 1.5 feet deep. Why would they leave holes in the ground like this? Now, the other video I made that I scratched, I was really complaining. I get it. I get it. Now, we did call them. They're coming out here in 3 more days from today. And he's going to take another look at it. I don't think something went correct. I do believe they're probably going to have to dig up the yard again. And I just hope I don't have to pay any more money. So I'm telling you now, something's not right. It should not be puddling up right there. It should not be. So, I'm not smelling sewage, but you know I am smelling something, Ange. It's not sewage. I'm almost smelling wet mud. I know it's wet mud, but guys, I made a video about this the other day and I cried like a big old baby. Well, I'm not crying this time. I understand. You know, waited 10 years to get it done. We have to wait another couple weeks, then so be it. But when they do come, 10 years of nothing but pure hell. Now I finally got them to come out here and finally found somebody to come out and take care of it. And I still don't think it's done. When we first bought the house, we had a plumbing outfit that come out. It did something similar to this, but not as far down. And they didn't do it the right way either. Of course, we didn't find out about that until 2 years later. Well, he's coming back out, and hopefully he'll probably run something down in there, a camera, and see if something's, more than likely a pipe's leaking, I would imagine. It's the only thing I can think of. And I'm not upset because of the clumps. I'm not upset because of the holes. I take care of that. It's just, my gosh, it shouldn't be puddling up down there. Then again, maybe I could be wrong. All right, guys, this has been my retake on this video, and I'm not mentioning the plumbers that came out. I'm going to hold that information because they did a great job. They were very polite and very professional. And if they didn't do this right, I don't think it's their fault. Things do happen. All right, guys, until next time, come on, let's get out of here. Leave me comments, and I had a bug on me. Leave me comments down there. What was your worst plumbing nightmare? I'd like to hear all about it. This right here, I've been dealing with for over 10 years. 10 years! Finally was able to find a plumbing outfit to come out, take a small down payment, and then we make payments on it. Yeah, it's going to cost me a fortune, but it's worth it if it's fixed. All right, until next time, come on, I'm out of here.